The Steducentre 2013 Grade 9 ANA Exam Review, English, Home Language. Questions 4.1 to 4.3. In the article Missing Children in Section A, it is said that Grace likes to meet people on the internet and social networks. Write out the abbreviation www in full as found in www.missingchildren.com. 4.2. MCSA supports the traumatized families. Change the above sentence into the passive voice. Begin as follows. The traumatized families. And 4.3. Olivier says, we are frequently faced with problems. Change the above sentence into reported or indirect speech. Begin as follows. Olivier says that. Abbreviations. Abbreviation is one other popular way of forming words. It is shortened or contracted from the word or phrase used to represent the whole. Abbreviation is similar in nature to blends. Here are some common abbreviations. Postal terms. Apartment is APT, Avenue AVE, Boulevard BLVD, Court CT, Drive DR, Highway HWY, Lane LN, Mountain or Mount MT, Road RD, Street ST or Suite STE. For directions, north is N, south is S, east is E, and west is W. For titles, Captain is CAPT, Colonel is COL, Corporal is CPL, Doctor is DR, General is GEN, Governor is GOV, Junior is JR, Lieutenant is LT, Medical Doctor is MD, Mr. is MR, Professor is Prof, PROF, Registered Nurse is RN, Saint is ST, Senior is SR, Sergeant is SGT. For measurements, centimeter is cm, foot is ft, gallon is gal, inch is in, kilogram is kg, kilometer is km, meter is m, mile is mi, miles per hour is mph, milligram is mg, millimeter is mm, number is no, ounce is oz, pint is pt, pound is lb, quart is qt, square is sq, and volume is vol. Some business terms. Association is ASSOC. Corporation is Corp, CORP. Department is DEPT. Incorporated is INC. Limited is LTD. For time, hour is HR. Minute is MIN. Second is SEC. Ante-meridium, before noon, is AM. Post-meridium, afternoon, is PM. Direct and indirect speech. Direct speech is quoted speech. It involves quoting the exact words uttered by the person within inverted commas or quotation marks. For example, she said, I won't be coming home. As you can see, it's in inverted commas. Tom said, there's a tiger outside the window. As you can see, it's in inverted commas. Indirect speech or indirect or reported speech, on the other hand, does not have to be within quotes or reported word for word. For example, she told him that she was happy. He told me that he was tired. Note that the verb tense necessarily changes in reported speech. This is because when we report speech, we are talking, obviously, about something that was said in the past. Hence, it becomes necessary to use the past tense of the verb. For 4.1, www stands for World Wide Web. 4.2, the traumatized families are supported by the MCSA. And 4.3, Oliver said that they were frequently faced with problems. Question 4.4 to 4.7. Write down the main clause in the following sentence. Even though the police launched an immediate search, the abducted child has still not been found. 4.5. Circle the letter with the correct answer. The young child has still not been found. Identify the part of speech of the underlined word. Is it A, an abstract noun, B, past participle, C, adjective, or D, pronoun? 4.6. Write the plural of country. 4.7. Write a synonym for the underlined word in the following sentence. Children who have adequate parental support are unlikely to run away. Plural nouns are words used to indicate more than one person, animal, thing, idea, or instance. The rules in order to make a plural. For most nouns, add an S at the end of the word. For example, car to cars or ball to balls. For nouns that end with S, X, Z, ch, or sh, add an ES to the end of the word, like boss, bosses, box, boxes. For some words that end with O, add ES at the end of the word. Potato, potatoes, hero, heroes, echo, echoes. For some words that end with O, add an S at the end of the word. Photo, photos. Piano, pianos. Radio, radios. For some words ending with F, replace the F with a V and add ES to the end of the word. From thief to thieves, calf to calves. For some words ending with F, add an S at the end of the word. Reef to reefs, roof to roofs, chef to chefs. For some words ending with if, replace the F with the V and add an S at the end of the word. Wife to wives, knife to knives, live to lives. For common nouns ending with a consonant followed by Y, replace the Y with an I and add ES at the end of the word. Nappy to nappies, poppy to poppies, penny to pennies. Some nouns are the same in both forms. For example, fish, fish, sheep, sheep, deer, deer, tuna, tuna, trout, trout. For some nouns, other letters must be replaced or added, sometimes changing the word completely. Person to people, ox to oxen, child to children, goose to geese, man to men, foot to feet. A synonym is a word that has the same or a slightly different meaning as another word. Question 4.4. The main clause of the sentence, even though the police launched an immediate search, the abducted child has still not been found. The abducted child has still not been found is the main clause. Circle the correct answer. The young child has still not been found. Young is an adjective. 4.6. Write the plural of country. It is countries. 4.7. The synonym of the word that is underlined of adequate would include words like enough, sufficient, acceptable, appropriate, or proper. Questions 4.8 to 4.9. Join the sentence below to form a complex sentence. Use if to join the sentence. You are unable to pick up your child from school on time. Full stop. You should get a message to your child. 4.9. Circle the letter of the correct answer. Refer to paragraph 8 of the article titled Missing Children in section A. What is the topic sentence of paragraph 8? A. Stranger abduction or kidnapping accounts for only 2 to 3% of our cases, which may not sound like much. B. Human trafficking is a reality. C. A little girl went missing in Pretoria shopping centre. Or D. She was reunited with her family, but without such quick actions, things could have gone the other way. These are the following types of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions include fanboys, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Subordinating conjunctions are after, although, as far as if, as long as soon as though, because, before, even if, when, where, whenever. Even though, every time, if, in order that, since, so that, than, though, unless, until, whenever, whereas, and while. Correlative conjunctions are either or, not only but, also, neither nor, both and, whether or, just as, so, the, as much as, no sooner than, or rather than. 4.8. Joining the sentences using if. If you are unable to pick your child from school on time, you should get a message to your child. Or, you should get a message to your child if you are unable to pick him or her up from school on time. 4.9. The correct answer is B. The topic of the sentence for paragraph 8 is that human trafficking is a reality. Thank you for watching Steducentr, turning ordinary learners into extraordinary leaders.